How does Kazuha laugh? Kazuha. Kazuha. How does Kinich greet in Japanese person? Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Why is today give a gift? Why is today a gift? Because it's called the present. The present. What do killers become after eating cereal? Serial killers. Serial kill. What do you call a guy who give information? Sorcerer. Sorcerer. Rest in peace, boiling water. You will be the mist. The mist. Where do young trees learn? Elementary school. Elementary school. Did you know that if you clean a vacuum cleaner, you become a vacuum cleaner?